Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
مرحبا.
هلا.
أريد أن أسألك شيء.
Can you speak English, please?
No.
So why you are not going to speak English? If you know English, why you don't want to speak English?
Because I don't care about the viewers. I only care about you.
You know, I care for the viewer too. I'm here for the viewer, not for you.
Didn't you say the Arabic language, it's your main language?
Main language? Yeah, my main language. Is it your main language too?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to translate this verse for me. Can you translate this verse for me?
Wait.
Can you tell me what this verse means?
Wait.
Wait. No, you are the one who's saying that you speak Arabic, right?
اترك القرآن على جنب.
قال له يا فرحان لبسوك مضى من وجهك. قال له ايه
أريد أسألك سؤال.
Listen. اسمع. قال له يا فرحان لبسوك مضى من وجهك. قال له من الخناقة. What does that mean?
Listen to me.
You don't understand Arabic. You are a Saudi, but you don't understand the Bedouin language.
Yeah, wait.
I mean, what kind of a Saudi? He cannot speak Bedouin. Speak to me Bedouin. I want to speak to you Bedouin. Speak to me Bedouin. Why you cannot speak Bedouin? Why you are saying in your Skype you are from Saudi Arabia, but yet you don't know how to speak Bedouin? Since when you are a Saudi who don't speak Bedouin?
I want to ask you now. Can you let me?
No, I will not let you. I'm scared.
Why I'm scared?
I want you to ask me in English so everybody can hear. But the point, I have all those who they are listening, they speak English. You can ask me about anything.
I will try, okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Prove to me that Jesus is exists. Or let me say, Jesus is God.
Prove to you that Jesus is God? Okay. As long as you said you speak Arabic, right? Isn't it in the Quran it says you have to worship Jesus?
In the Quran, no.
Okay, I want you to read this. In front of us, I will put it for you on the screen. And you read it for us.
Which one?
Hold on. It says that you've been ordered to worship one God, and you know they are worshiping their monks and their rabbi instead of Allah and the Messiah. I want you to translate. I will put that in the screen in front of you, and I want you to translate word by word for us.
Can you put the mouse in the verses?
Here we go.
So I can
the verse in front
know
of
which
you.
it.
The verse in front of you. I will show it in Arabic. You are a Saudi. Read it for us. اتخذوا أحبارهم ورهبانهم أربابا من دون الله والمسيح ابن مريم. Read, translate. Go ahead, I'm listening.
اتخذوا أحبارهم ورهبانهم أربابا من دون الله. هذا يعني
No, don't stop. Don't stop. Doesn't say من دون الله only. Don't stop there. It says من دون الله والمسيح ابن مريم. Translate. See? You are in trouble. The Muslim, they give false translation. The Quran says they took their monks and their rabbis as God instead of Allah and the Messiah. That's what the
the Messiah. Listen to it.
Okay, so you agree. So the Quran says you should take.
Allah sent Jesus to tell them the God.
No. You just agree.
To him.
No, don't jump. You just agree. That says اتخذوا أحبارهم ورهبانهم أربابا من دون الله والمسيح. They took their rabbis and their monks as God instead of who? Instead of Allah and the Messiah. The Quran saying that, not me. So you should take the Messiah as your God. This is a mistake in the Quran. The Muslim, they try to fabricate, oh, that doesn't mean that. It says that Arabic, you speak Arabic, I speak Arabic, and you are a Saudi. Does it say that, or I'm lying, my friend?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, so it says that. So you are saying to me, prove to me that Jesus is God. It's in front of you. It's your prophet saying in Arabic, and you speak Arabic, and you are a Saudi, saying, yes, it says that we should worship Allah and the Messiah.
Okay, listen, do you have another verse?
Do we need 100 verse? I mean, one verse in the Quran is enough to prove.
Oh, wait. You see the Bible?
Abdul, don't change the topic, my friend. Where are you? Where are you from, Saudi?
Me? سكاكا.
سكاكا جو فيش اخباركم؟
الحمد لله. Listen to me.
من هو الامير الحين بسكاكا؟
لا أعرف اسمه.
You don't know even the name of the prince? My friend,
No.
I can. If you have a problem, any problem in Saudi Arabia, give me a call. I will help you. Okay? I'm very connected. Now listen.
I don't have any problem.
Alhamdulillah, you don't have a problem. Okay. But don't go to the embassy. Don't go to the embassy. Be careful. Isma. One verse is enough to prove that Islam, it cannot be from God. How you say to me in the Quran that Jesus is a messenger of Allah, and in different verses says, and you speak Arabic, I speak Arabic, you are a Saudi. You just said and admitted, yes, it says that we should worship. Those people, they took their rabbis and their monks as gods instead of Allah and the Messiah. So how you Muslim, you say to us that the Quran teach we should worship only Allah, but that yet in this verse it says we should worship the Messiah.
All right, I will think about that.
Okay, I will give you 10,000 years to think.
تكبير تكبير تكبير